Alright, so it's September 19th, 2008, and we're going to do some more trading. And difference today as opposed to normal videos is that as of this morning we can't short financial stocks. Now this is a temporary thing for 10 days, may go on longer. This is a bit of a knee-jerk reaction to what's been going on in the markets. I can understand why they've done it. I mean, personally I think that shorting, there's nothing wrong with it. It's a perfectly valid technique and keeps markets liquid and efficient. But at the same time, I can understand why they've done it with crisis of confidence in the markets and whatever else. Anyway, point of this video today is see if we can make some money without going short. If you've watched any of the other videos, you'll probably notice that I quite like going short. You can usually make money quicker on the downside than on the upside. But there's always plenty of opportunity in the stock market, whichever way you want to go. So whether these rules stick around or not don't really matter. The point is, pretty sure we can make some money just going long, and we'll see what happens. HBC on the NYSE, banking stock, getting ready to take a long on this. Got along 1,084.09 on that. Citigroup on the NYSE, ready to take a long. Lot of volume picking up here. Longer it spends at 2020, the more critical that level's becoming. Right, it's just started to push through. Gone along there and got filled at 2020. Alright, this one's Merrill Lynch, looking to go long, and just want to see it push up a little bit further. Alright, happy with that. Long at 27.67. Watching AIG and looking to go long if it gets past 3.15. Alright, long there at 3.16. Right, so back here on HBC. Long from 84.09 and currently up at 84.95. Did just briefly get up to $85 there. Looking to probably close this one out at this point. I'm going to close half out. Just got to feel there, 84.96 on that half, taking $435. Run the other half a little bit longer, just want to see if it gets over 85. Going to close out the other half, HSBC. Just got out 84.91, bit unfortunate, did come right up here to 85.80, but just dropped right off very, very quickly. Price just collapsed. So still took $410 on that second half. Bit unfortunate, could have had a lot more, but there we go. That's why we take half off and then run it. Alright, looking to take a quick long on Apple. Long at 141 exactly. Alright, going to try and take a long on Goldman Sachs. Very, very fast moving this one. Long from 129.74. On Apple, long from $1.41. Having a little bit of trouble around this area. Going to take half off. Come out half, 141.77, taking 385. And still long 500. Just want to see if it's going to get through 142. Alright, GS long from 129.74. Now 131. Pretty much $74.2 up on that. Going to take half off at this point. Just as a banker got out there 131.56 half, taking 9.10. Just probably not going to run this one much further, getting on for lunchtime, but just let it run a little bit longer. Close out the other half of Apple, did get over 142, up to 142.70 something. Come out the other half there, 142.30, taking where are we, 6.50 on that. Right, so Merrill Lynch, long from 27.67. Right, I'll slow burn this one. Currently knocking on at 28. Having a little bit of difficulty getting through there. Maybe we'll do it, but it's lunchtime and it seems as good a place as any to get out. Alright, out 27.99 for 320. Right, GS still long 500. knocking around $132 mark at the moment. Did get slightly above that at one point. Going to close out around here. It's close to 132 as we can get. Lunchtime, quite happy with the profit on that. No need to hold on to it any longer. Alright, just got a fill 131.85. Not brilliant fill, but better than a kick in the teeth. Alright, so just clearing up for lunchtime now. Citigroup long from down at 2020 somewhere, and no, I was hoping to get 21. Probably going to get there, but too hungry to wait for it to hang around and do its thing. So going to come out of this one round about now. Alright, got a feel of 2090 taking 700, which I'm happy with. The last one then, ARG. It did pop up a little bit. This was not a good trade, I have to say. Ignore that was a bad print. Looks like we might just be able to get out for 1 or 2 cents. Alright, out at 31.18, so $20, so just slightly more than covering the commission. Alright, so just to recap on what I took there. HBC, a couple of goes there, 435 first bit, 410 second bit. Apple 385 on the first bit, and Goldman Sachs 910 on the first bit. Apple finished up 650. Merrill Lynch all in one go at 320. Goldman Sachs took 1055 on the second half of that one. Citibank or Citigroup 700 all in one go, and AIG just a little 20 there, giving it $4,885 profit before commission, and commission on that lot less than a couple of $100 with a decent discount broker. So easily clearing more than $4,500 in profit on that lot. Trading 1,000 shares, obviously could have traded more shares if you wanted to. But the important point in this video ain't about the profit or whatever, it's about the fact that as an exercise this was only trading long, no shorts. Now it's a bit of a shame, there was some lovely shorts early on in the session, and if the rules hadn't changed then would have made a lot more money than that. But the point is that even with these temporary rules not being able to short financial stocks for the next 10 days and possibly longer, it don't mean that there ain't money to be made, as I think this has clearly demonstrated. There's still bags and bags of opportunity. So I hope that's useful, and hope you got some of that as well, and there'll be plenty more this afternoon, no doubt, where that came from.